Hello guys, and today we are going to learn how to make this cookie catcher, also known as fortune teller, with totally paper. This is known as origami, and this is a really easy fortune teller and totally customizable with free blank spaces inside. So let's get started. So first we keep a fortune teller aside and we get a paper. So you can have two or one, but if you stack one on two and then you do it, your fortune teller will get harder. But this one paper is more easier. So then after you take one paper, you first have to make it square. So if you have an origami square paper, that's good. But if you don't, I'm going to teach you how to do that today. So first, we make this paper square like this. We fold this one corner kind of to this edge until it folds, and this should be sharp. And then turn this around, and you do it until you don't fold anything else except the rest paper. So then, as you see, this is a square and you have to rip out this paper. You can cut this paper or you can just trim it off easily with your hands like this. So after you have your square, now you have to, how we got back into this, we made it a smaller square. So like this only. First, you fold it sideways like this. Then you fold it again sideways. You open it and then you fold it again sideways like this. But then this time the other side. You did that. And then you have to fold these corners in like one, like two, like three, and a final counting 4. So after you fold all these corners and make sure they're perfect, and then you have your smaller square ready, but you have to make this more smaller by doing the same step again, totally same. You don't have to flip it over or anything. You have to flip it over. First you did this, then you have to flip it over, but then just don't turn it anywhere. So after you're done this, fold all the corners like this, and then you get any pen, any marker or pen, and you write numbers. So first you write 1, you write 2, you write 3, you write 4, you write 5, you write 6, you write 7, and you write 8. Done. Then, whenever you open one, this is the space where your fortune will be written. So you basically just highlight this space by making lines. So this is your fortune space where you can write anything if you choose that number. In the end of the video, I'll also tell you how to play this. So after you've done this, it doesn't have to be perfect. So you just do it like this. Oh, oops, one line left. After you're done this, you can write any fortune here. I'm not telling you what to write because it's your own fortune teller. And then fold all the corners back. Then after this comes a bit tricky part, but you can get through it. You fold this in half and you carefully press it hardly. And then you take this and just pop it basically, like pop it. People do it different way, but I'm teaching you the easy way. You take this, squish this both sides, and you make something like this. But actually, it's not like this. A fortune teller is not like this. See these sides? You basically have to pop out. So you basically just take out these sides, pop them out. If you do it, if you make the square smaller 2 times, then you will definitely get this. So after you are done making your fortune teller, so finally now I'm going to teach you how to play it. So first you fold this like this, and you can write anything here. You can color this in, but I usually just do this. Basically do red, can do W, you can write yellow. You can color these squares in to the designated color, but I'm not doing that right now. So after you're done this, you're done writing, you get it back to its position where we just killed it. Cause don't know why. So because to write, you basically just do that, and then this can be wrong because you just did it. You can write it anywhere, so you keep this up. So green, red, yellow, or blue. So which one do you pick? If you pick red, then R-E-D, red. You have to pick one number from this. I can pick 3. Then you open this and you pick 3. Whatever thing is written here, you read that and you tell that to the player who is playing. So this is how you play the fortune teller. Thank you guys for watching. Please hit the subscribe button below and the bell icon. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you.